Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Hello viewer, today we'll learn how to use new and old word art in latest Microsoft Word version. First go to Insert tab and find Text section. Click on Word Art. In Word Art, add some artistic flair to your document using Word Art text box. After clicking on it, it shows 15 different and unique text designs. Click what you want to use in your work. And it's my channel name, Creative IT Hacks. Select your word art text and in Shapes Styles, I choose on shape style of my choice. There are many options like Shape Fill, Shape Outline and Shape Effects. I am going to do some formatting with Shape Effects. I hope you like it. Word art allows you to create eye-catching titles, headings, or banners that grab attention. After this, if you can change your word art design anytime, just click on Quick Styles and choose whatever you want. On its right side, there are 3 options, and you can choose text color, text outline and text effects. There are many options to convert your text to fancy text. You just need some practice. I am going to click its edge points to drag and drop for increase its font size. And your fancy latest word art is ready. But if you want old word art designs in your latest MS Word version, so pay attention on my work. I am going to delete my word art text after selecting and press delete key from keyboard. After this, click on File tab, go to Save As, and click on Browse. Choose your path to save file and click on Save As type. And there is the magic, choose Word 97, 2003 document. Give your file name and click Save. And finally, your work is done. Your saved file opened by default. Go to Insert tab and click on Word Art. And finally, here are the oldest version of word art in your latest Office version. After clicking word art, it gives us 30 already made designs for our work. And these designs are amazing. Click on one word art design and after clicking there is a dialog box opens. Write the text what you want in your documents, and there you can choose font style, font size and basic formatting like bold and italic text, etc. Click OK. And your word art text is ready. But it's not end here, there are many more formatting to do if you want. First click on Spacing. There are 5 options for text, very tight, tight, normal, loose, and very loose. But I select normal. Don't worry if you select bad style of word art, there are many options to convert your word art text into second. All styles are very creative. It helps in creating professional-looking documents, presentations, or posters effortlessly. There are many text color designs in Shape Fill. Word art makes information more engaging, aiding in better communication and comprehension. I select one, Gradient, Color. And the texture color is also available to give your text very unique and beautiful look. In Patterns, the text look very amazing. You can choose your favorite style and color to apply. Word art in Microsoft Word is a feature that transforms regular text into visually appealing designs. Users can experiment with diverse fonts, sizes, and styles to personalize text and emphasize key points. If you don't like this style, follow the previous actions and choose another style. If you want, then you give your text a very unique style outline with choosing color. It enables users to stylize text with various fonts, colors, and shapes, making it stand out in documents. In Change Shape, you can choose lots of shapes designs of your text. There are some shadow effects. And in Shadow Effects part you can manage text shadow. Word art allows you to create eye-catching titles, headings, or banners that grab attention. I also apply 3D effects on my text, and choose 3D shadow color. Depth, direction, lightning and surface options also available for more formatting. You can manage its direction with up, down, right and left option. It helps in creating professional-looking documents, presentations, or posters effortlessly. You can change text position and wrap text. In Size portion, you can change the size of text with length and width option. Word art makes information more engaging, aiding in better communication and comprehension. And now, I tell you how to edit text in word art because you never edit text by clicking on it. So, in text portion, go to Edit Text. After clicking on it, the dialog box appears like before and you can write any text you want to replace. And after adding word art, I show you the all tabs and options are same as in you're using latest version of Microsoft Office. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.